Here are some questions you should ask your college tour guide. The best way to find out what the student-to-professor relationship is like is to ask the student. Here at Bucknell, most of our tour guides are juniors or seniors in college, so they have a lot of experience and understand that relationship well. When you ask this question on a tour, you not only get to hear about these resources, but you get to see them as well. On my tours, I like to take students and show them these resources, such as the dining hall, residence halls, and professor offices. When you ask a tour guide a question like that, you can see what kind of qualities allow them to be successful both in and out of the classroom, and it allows you to see if you have those same qualities which would lend you to be successful as well. Find out what the university offers for students as they transition to campus. For me here at Bucknell, being in a residential college meant that I shared a class with all the people living on my hall with me, which gave us something to connect over during our first few weeks here at Bucknell. When you're on a college tour, be sure to ask your tour guide what their major is. It'll allow you to know what sort of requirements there are for that major and how easy it is to take classes outside of your major. As a college tour guide myself, I highly recommend taking these questions to your next tour because you'll leave the tour with a better understanding of the campus and a little bit of an insight as to what it would be like to be a student at that school. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe. If you have any feedback or questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section.